Hey, Rob.
Hey, Kurt.
Well, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Beautiful morning here in Garland, Texas at the DryAir Training Center.
It's always beautiful here at the training center.
It seems like it is.
Yeah,
I really like it, yeah. Hey, stockyards. I hear that they're not too far away and they run these Longhorn down the street.
Yeah, Longhorn. Don't have them in Jersey, so.
We'll have to go check that out, the Longhorns, maybe what's going on. Hey, this video is about an application, right? Applications are important to understand how the equipment is actually put to work. Right? So what's the scenario here?
I'm going to give you a scenario.
Oh, go for it.
All right, so you have a customer who needs hot water for a building.
Okay.
We'll call it, because we have a tank here, we'll call it domestic.
Okay.
He has a boiler that is 3 million BTU.
3 million.
All right?
Right.
How in the world are you, Mr. Rental Salesperson, going to accommodate his needs?
Good question. Phone a friend.
Well, okay. I just did.
Oh, okay.
You're
I'm the friend. I got it now. Good,
Yeah.
thanks. So the Hydro Heat Pro is on diesel. If we're running diesel fuel, is 1.8 input and about 1.5, a little bit more output, so to speak.
Yeah.
For this case, we'll say 1.5. And you just told me he needs 3 million
3
BTUs.
million.
So what we can do is we can actually what we call parallel the two together, right? And what you're seeing around us is a Hydro Heat Pro fossil fuel. And for this case, we have an electric here, but let's say it is a fossil fuel. So we got two fossil fuels. We know we got 1.5 output, which I think 1.5 and 1.5 is your 3 million.
Yeah, that'll do it.
So there you go. But wait, how do we get the BTUs to blend?
Well, being in the rental world forever, when we had chiller applications, we would parallel them. There's no difference between what we did with a chiller and what we can do with this. We can parallel them together, and we can get our 3 million BTU. And that's what you're looking at right here.
Right, so the key thing is we need a manifold of some sort.
Correct.
Right, so we have two manifolds here to my left, your left.
Yep.
We have two, one would be the supply and one would be the return.
Yep.
And then we have, in this case, this tank off to Rob's right is where we're basically keeping that water heated, and we have a supply and return to each manifold. So we can blend these together, parallel them together. And if depending on how you build your manifold, such as this, we could actually hook up two more Hydro Heat Pros and get, well, 6 million BTUs worth of heat. Water, hot water. So paralleling is very important when it comes to larger scale projects that you think, hey, wait a minute, we don't have that size. Well, yeah, you do. You just got to add them together. Anything else you want to add on that?
Real quick, we won't make this video too long, but if you have a hydro heat and a manifold, this manifold could also be used to hook up multiple air handlers.
Oh yeah.
Because you never want to run them in series.
Right.
Or fan coils. So that's another application for the
That's a great point. So we could run this manifold into a building supply return trunk line, if you will, right? 30 feet, 40 feet, 100 feet up the building and put these manifolds inside, and then we could run multiple air handlers or fan coils. Another application. We're going to touch on that application in the future on how to run multiple air handlers or fan coils off of these, but that's a great point you bring up, Rob. But right now, I think we got to get out of here.
We do.
We'll see you.
See ya.